Isaac.
Here,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Breakfast and lunch are free
Free?
for all our students. If you don't want to pack his lunch some days, then he'll be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Friend.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Be careful, sir.
Bye, Isaac. Hi. Oh, thank you.
Worsted.
Bangon na. Bangon na. Gising na. Oh. Higa, higa,
Hindi.
higa. Eh, ano yung susutin na rin? Oh, bangon na. Kasi Prince nag-iiyak-yak dun. Hindi pinatulog ng mami niya. Hindi pinatulog ng mami niya sa kwarto. Oh, dali. Oh. Kabila. Bangon na. Bangon na. Ayusin mo na lang ang buhok mo. Nakatirik eh. Teka mo na, ayusin mo lang. Hindi mo na hinubad doon. Hindi ka nang papalit ng brief. Hindi na.
Can I just move? Thank you.
Pwede mo na matulog. Bilisan mo na.
Why am I wearing this?
Nakal, bilis. O, dahan-dahan, madulas lang. Si Princy, papasok na sa school. Princy,
Grade 1.
grade 1 ka. Sa School of Obedience daw yan papasok.
And then the children.
Ah.
I'll go to school now.
Ba. Ay, kinig sa teacher ah. Cool.
Yeah. What time is it?
Naghihintay. Teacher yan. Go, Isaac!
I'm getting my stuff.
Okay. Good morning. His second day in the school. Yeah. Yeah. Princey, stop. Hindi ka nakasali sa school. Oh.
Promise just out.
Dala mo na, malamig, ibilisan mo. Ginawa. think here. Oh, here. Lumampas tayo sa nag-iintay. Oh. Bye, Isaac. Hurry up.
Hindi pa lipat na nga.
Ha? Dito.
Ano pa nga? Hindi pa mo.
Dito na.
Yan o.
Ah, ito, dito. Oh, Isaac. Isaac. Bye, Isaac. Good morning. Sunday na si Isaac. Ang haba ng pila. Ba dyan pag ganyan? Ang haba. Isaac. Hi. Where's Isaac? Isaac. Number 7. Yay! Ah, nakalak doon? Thank you!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, Isaac!
Hi.
Lahat ng guro naghihintay dyan sa labas.
Picture niya yun.
Is that your teacher na? Who are they? Isaac. How is your school?
Good.
Naglagay na sila ng salt sa kalsada para
Sa roadway.
pag umulan ng snow, hindi madula sa gulong. Hi guys, this is my son named Isaac. Isaac, can you say hi to my friend?
Hello, Isaac. My name is everyone.
Lahoy naman. How is your school?
Good. School is great.
Alright. Are you excited to go back to school tomorrow? Huh? Isaac?
Yes.
Oh, pakita mong happy ka. Yay! Very happy.
Pranking my mother. I am your son. Yeah. It's a prank.
Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Isaac.
Nag-alangan na.
Malapit na kami sa bahay.
2 minutes.
Ah, maglalabas na uli ng basura.
Only second. 2 minutes.
Hey.
Kalabang, kalabang.
Bye.
Yan si Kan.
Diyan na kaya ang kuya mo?
Maybe not, maybe. Maybe yes, maybe not.
Bye-bye. Haba ng pila.
Ano pa?
I'm sorry for that.
No worries. I'm fine, that's me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Evening.
Number ba? Ako.
Isaac! How's your school?
2. Okay, so this matches. Now in order, I have to multiply this by 2 also. If this is multiplied by 2 and is the same thing, what is 4 times 2?
8.
8. See, it's the same thing. 2 by 8.
Wow.
See?
Makes sense.
Even and odd.
See? So if I wanted to, yeah, that's how I get that answer.
Thank you.